Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you how to transfer your schematic to your PCB in Altium Designer. So you finish with your schematic. Now what and how to transfer it to your PCB. So it's pretty much easy to do that. You just go here to design and you will have here two options: update PCB document drawn, update PCB document. So this is because I have multiple projects open, but we need this one: update PCB document drawn. Click OK, echo yes, and this will opens up. Engineering change order. You will hit validate changes and execute changes, and what will happen is you will get your all components here on this side, and then you can start creating and placing your components on your PCB, and after that it will look some like finished product. And this is how you transfer your schematic to your PCB. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.